Hello, today I'm going to show you how to replace the front lights of your Suzuki Swift. First step, open the car hood and have a look where the lights are damaged. In this case, it's on the left side if you're standing in front of your car, and there is the front light body, and behind the front light body there is a rubber seal on top. This rubber seal you have to remove first by shaking and moving it to the side, up and down. And if you remove this, you are able to locate the bulb itself. As you can see, it's a little bit of tricky. You have to do this smooth and gentle, because if the rubber is hard, you are going to damage it maybe. So if you are checking it that it is really hard, you should do a little bit of the WD-40 on top. But as you can see, we did it. And now we are going to unlock the bulb socket. The bulb socket has a spring on top, and this spring you have to unlock a little bit by pushing it to the front side and then to the left or right side. You can feel it by your fingers. And if you're doing this, you are able to remove the bulb itself. In this case, it is a H4 socket bulb for the front light. The same is the signal light, and of course you have to unplug it. There is a wire at the back side of the bulb. Now let's install a new one. There you can see, there it is, the location for the bulb. And now the bulb has 3 connections for the power supply. This power supply you have to dip in, but later. First step, on the socket there are 3 socket holding systems, and these are matches full into the socket itself. It's into the socket holder at the light body. And if you place it there, you have to replace the spring by pushing and turning it to right or left side, and then it locks again. After this, you have to push back the cable in position, and then only one is left. You have to cover it by the rubber. And it's the same with the position lights, and so easy you are going to replace the light, the front bulbs of your Suzuki Swift. And if you're replacing everything, you can seal it by using a little bit of silicone spray or a little bit of WD-40. And this is the position light. This is on the outside, and there you only have to untighten it, and then to unlock the bulb itself you only have to pull on it. Now every time if you're replacing a bulb and you are assembling a new one, you have to clean it by using a cloth, because in case of your fingers are having some salt and liquid on top, that will damage your bulb glass. So the new turn signal light, you have to push back in position, easy going, only one side matches, push it back in position, and then assemble the bulb holder again by rotating it right turn. Job's done. So easy it is. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.